So this desalinated water would not be directly used on human beings, because we are considering that they might be pathogens for our human beings. So our main purpose of usage of this desalinated water would be irrigation, would be for irrigation usage. Yeah. So let's. So do you have any further questions?
Yeah, so in terms of the, this is quite interesting, but in terms of the consumption, I mean, because, the desal obviously takes a lot of energy. Are you able to produce, like if there's 1 million gallons of water to be desalinated, what is typically the power usage for something like that? And how much of it would be generated through your process?
Yeah, that's a good question, and I think that question is like a main question for our modeling group. So yeah, Ladi, maybe do you have any modeling data for the questions that Sheba just asked us?
So our modeling group has unfortunately not been able to get any specific data on the power output of this microbial desalination cell, and this is something that we're working on to be able to get some results on this later on within a month or so. But I guess part of the proposed strategy of implementing this, which we wanted to present to you, was to potentially maybe use this desalination cell on its own if we do find out that it's able to produce enough electricity to complete a full desalination process to the efficiencies required for irrigation. Otherwise, it could be implemented into a reverse osmosis process where we could potentially use as a pre-treatment step to reduce the power requirements of an RO process. But this is something that we're working to find out through our modeling, but we unfortunately don't have this data yet.
Right. But, okay, has this been attempted anywhere else, and what are the results from that?
Yeah.
Not this exact process, but something close to or similar to this.
Yeah. So university. So UCSD. So University of sorry guys. What's the full name of UCSD? Yes.
San Diego. The UCSD here, or are you talking about a different one? It's San Diego, yes.
Yeah. They have tried this they have tried this device, and they successfully produce bioelectricity to desalinate seawater.
Okay.
But it's only on the bench scale. That it has not ever been put into like practical production scale.
Right.
No, so it has this one plant in southern Spain that opened just a few months ago.